Hey everybody, we are back with another exciting episode of the CU event Videocast here at Apex 2025, sponsored by the CCUA and the Credit Union League Connecticut. I'm your host, Jonathan Taylor, JT, and with me is my friend who is now upright this year, which is an improvement from the last time I saw you.
Thank you.
Bryce Jackson, Director of Sales at MemberClose. Welcome to the show.
Appreciate it. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So you're feeling a little bit better.
On the meds. 80 to 85% from my Achilles tear from last year. So.
I love it. And I didn't realize how tall you were. You're much taller than I thought.
I know.
I like that. So we're talking about learning. So we're talking about education. I mean, so much about Apex is people getting together to learn from one another, to teach one another things that they've learned over the year. I'm curious from your standpoint, what are you excited about learning this year at Apex 2025?
I am super excited about learning about AI and about the capabilities that it is currently at, as well as where it's going into the future. I think in the vendor hall where we are, it's really about identifying opportunities for our partner credit unions to keep their members within their walls and also provide efficiency and return on investment for those products that they're using.
So you guys are delving into that at MemberClose a little bit?
For sure. Little plug, we're going to talk at 4 p.m. tonight on the Spotlight stage for 15 minutes about the real estate market trends, and AI will be one of those pieces. It's pervasive to everything that we do, not only from the phones that we hold, but the business that we do to the workflows that credit unions are utilizing.
Well, I'll try to show up for that. I'm kidding, I'm hosting, so I'll see you over there. And honestly, that's going to be really exciting because I think so many folks are like, okay, AI, I'm hearing you. I know I need to pay attention to this. I just don't know the real life examples of how this is going to apply to me and my credit union, and more importantly, even my members, right, on the day-to-day. And so it sounds like you're going to be delving into that specifically with what you guys do.
For sure. And I think the equation that I've seen in my day-to-day is how quickly can you get a member's information into the system and get that information back out into the form of loans, whether it be home equity loans, first mortgage loans. But I think it covers all the bases as far as anything member-related, data-related. I think the data piece is endless. Feeding AI is, it's learning from itself. It's learning from the data that it gets in an exponential form. And, it's how we harness it. Human intervention, the workflows that credit unions have, I think it's going to create an efficiency and allow institutions to focus on those exceptions as well as the more complex loan scenarios that they have. But it's amazing just the amount of information that's out there that's being aggregated and how it's being used.
Well, specifically, but especially in the world that you're in, timely and accurate is huge. I mean, it's the name of the game, and where there's so much competition out there, even if they're not as fast as they claim themselves to be, they have words in their names that people think that they're faster. So it's really nice to hear that you guys are harnessing AI to speed the process up for folks, because we all want everything yesterday, and unfortunately that's not how it works with mortgages and home equities and things of that nature. There are steps we have to do
for sure.
So streamlining that, I think it's really, really great. Last question, CCUA. I see you here every year, and love that reunion every year. What is it about this conference that keeps MemberClose coming back year over year?
So I attend 8 credit union annual conferences a year. I think what comes to my mind is the partnerships that all institutions have, the aggregation of partners here in this hall, as well as the interactive sessions. I attribute the work to the CCUA staff, as well as the direction and foresight that they have to be able to be innovative that really makes a difference from other conferences that I've attended to. I think also it's the sharing between associations that I've seen a change in the last 2 to 3 years, where there's that free flow of information, whether it's siloed before or whether there's just more synergies between the associations. Everybody's stepping up their game. So our focus is on bringing value to members and to our credit union partners. So that's why we'll be here until now.
I love it. Well, yeah. I think you'll be one of the last to go if that's the case. If folks wanted to learn more about you guys, where would they go?
Yeah, they go to www.memberclose.com. They can reach out to the association and get in contact with us, and happy to meet people where they're at. That's really what's the most important, because as everybody's priority lists are different, their strategic plans are different. But if you can identify opportunities that they can add in addition to the things that they currently do that create efficiency, then that's all I can ask for.
I love it. Well, Bryce, good to see you. Good to see you.
It's a pleasure. Absolutely,
man. All right. And folks, this has been another exciting episode of the CU event Videocast this year at Apex 2025. Thank you so much for joining, and we will see you next time.
Take care. Thank you.